Hi, and welcome to 494 Baldwin Avenue in Rochester, Michigan.
So you want to live near downtown Rochester, but the houses are just too expensive. I got you covered. Let's go.
Don't miss out on this great property. 2 bedrooms, bath and a half, covered parking, pets are allowed, and so much more. You can see the kitchen's been beautifully updated, newer carpeting. This house is really spectacular. Upstairs, you have a large primary bedroom with hardwood flooring. Nice size secondary and a finished basement. But the beauty of this is being so close to downtown Rochester. So how far do you have to go to get a coffee? Come on, let's check it out. Now, don't drive like this, but you can be there in seconds. It's a short walk to all of your favorite restaurants, shopping, so much to do. Why, this is one of my favorite places. I've been going here since I was a little kid. You can swing over to Red Naps, go in and grab you a bite, or get you one of their delicious chocolate malts. But maybe you prefer the nightlife. Rochester has it all. You still have a sweet tooth? Short ride over to Yates Cider Mill? Or, to get rid of all that, go on the Paint Creek Trail and do a little biking. So you're not only looking at a home, you're looking at a lifestyle. This place will not last. Do not wait. Call today to schedule your private showing. My name's Rich Sparks, and thank you so much for watching.